you have that level of score, means you are very right fit and you can take it up to the next level. Okay, so I think I will just take a pause because I just wanted to understand till now here any questions or anything learning, whatever I have mentioned till now here.
Participants, please feel free to ask your doubts. So far, whatever uh, Zubair has explained.
Okay, I will continue then. What was the biggest learning till now? What you had? So do you have something to act upon? If you don't, you can unmute yourself and speak. If you don't want, you can put it in the chat also. So if you could see a successful, those whoever have their successful career have this specific thing, acumen, specific knowledge and talent. In the next 3 months, we'll be happy to take you through all the three things, work with you and take your all the score wherever you are at to the next level. And you have to decide what is the monthly income you'd like to achieve. Then 7 to 8 challenge. If you are confused and fail to understand, you can ask like, okay, this is going something, what I'm talking is a very big terms or very technical thing. So you can just ask us, and that is the purpose of this webinar or workshop, to make you understand and help you wherever you are right now. You might face these challenges every time you start something and stop. That is called accountability. So these are the general trend which we have listed down for anyone, whether a fresher or a professional, like what challenges they face generally in their career or while learning something new. That you start something, you stop because you don't have accountability. And that's where when you get into our workshop or our training program, you have accountability with our live trainer. He will come every day, ask you what you have done. So you get accountability. Next day you are going a class. One day you can skip, 2 day you can skip, 3 day, but you can't skip every day, right? When your trainer every day asking what you are doing, that is called accountability and mentorship. So you might be zero awareness of industries catering confusion. Means you don't have the awareness what's the industry is going now through AI. The industry is shifting to completely new level. And that's where we have also changed our courses, our training program. Like whatever things you are doing, it needs to be AI driven. SEO, but through AI. So how we can leverage AI so that our productivity, our output will be 10x, 20x higher. And that is where the industry wants now, like whatever work we are doing, we should do it in a smart way. It doesn't mean when the AI is coming that the human will be out. Human will be always there. Their human intervention will be there to review, to increase our productivity. Like in the old age, when there was a revolution happening, the shift was happening from industries to technologies, the computer were coming 30, 40 years back. There was a fear in the human that what is going to happen, the computers will take up. But no, the more job environment, the more development happen post all those things. So industry is shifting, but we don't have to fear. But only we have to fear if we are not adapting. Either we have to adapt the new technologies and new things. So being a talented, no guidance and no platform will not take you. You might be a very good talent, but if you're not using those talent and you don't have a sufficient resource, mentor, I'm speaking again and again about mentor, because if you know any big cricketer, any big sports person, they have a mentor. Why they have a mentor? Because it helps them to keep move in the right direction if they are just getting diverted from wherever they are going. So a life trainer and a mentor is very important. Just hanging out will not make us, and the time is sleeping if you are struggling. So, and the time is also very important because the technologies and the things are moving fast. So you have to also move fast, take actions. Now you have the choice where you have the two road. Do nothing and figure out your first is like a, let's take an example. There are two destination A to B. There is already a very good expressway built where you can just reach by driving in and 60 minutes time. And there is a road too. There is again a path too, but you don't know how that path might be. It's just round here and there. It might take 2 to 3 hours for you to reach out. So what kind of road you are going to pick up? The definite answer is the road one or a path one, which is a defined, where all the people are going because the road is defined over there. And that's where what we have created as a company, we have defined, because we understand the problem of student, we have created that path. You just have to walk or you just have to drive through that path. If you are driving, your success, we can guarantee you. But if you're just trying to figure out your own way, then it might take 5 years for you. And by that time, this knowledge will be having no relevance. And that's where our Edrupt training program comes in place, where we'll guide you through your career guidance, specific knowledge, acumen, talent, building, and becoming a niche specialization. And that is what the whole USP of our program. Well, now the road changes, because after this, we need to get to the detail. So we have a consultant also on board, where we also set up a one-to-one call for the students, but that might not be required here. What generally we'll do it when we have a huge webinar or a workshop, we don't get a much time to interact with the student. But since here very few students are there, we can open up the channel right now only. So the whole purpose for this webinar was to introduce you what is there in digital marketing, why it is important, and how as a company we are doing with our hundreds of students, helping them to grow their career. And if you want to be a part of journey, we can ask your question. But generally, when we conduct the webinar in thousands of students, when they join, we don't get opportunity to interact with one-on-one. So we book a consultation call with our specialists. Who are our specialists? Those who are working on live project. They are already earning six figure. Their time is valuable. So we take only serious student over there to consult them, and it is a free of charge for them, so that they can freely ask any sort of question they want to have. But here we can conduct that activity right now. Whatever questions, it might be a very silly question, so that's not an issue. Whatever question you have, you can just ask us. Any questions, anything?
Participants, please ask your questions.
No questions?
Uh, no questions so far.
Okay. One minute, I'm just...
So I guess let's conclude what we can do based on. If like anyone have any question, or if anyone would like to know more about the courses, or anyone would like to join our course, we'll be in touch with you. Okay, you take feedback after the webinar from the audience. Okay, and we'll be in touch with you. All right.
Sure. So, what we are going to do is we have expected around more than 50 participants, and we have shared all the links. But I don't think so. And I have got some personal texts that they are unable to join due to some work or whatever their personal
No problem.
reasons. But anyways, no problem. We are just going to share the session, the recorded session through again
Sure.
once all our platforms and all. We will keep doing this in order to give the clear idea regarding the course, and we will
Yeah.
keep doing this in order to get the exact benefits from these programs. Okay.
Sure, Getson, no problem. Thanks a lot for arranging. And this is a
And
snapshot of
thank you so much for providing an introduction regarding your course. And I believe that we can do this continuously in order to give the insights about the courses,
Sure.
so that the participants will feel comfortable and they will try to inquire regarding the courses. Okay.
Yeah, any topic you want us to include, let us know. We'll make the modification in our presentation, and we'll conduct the way. And I hope you or the student got means a basic introduction and the awareness thing what they want to learn. And this is one of our graduated batch where we celebrated their certifications last year. So these are our students who have successfully completed their digital marketing program.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, student, for joining this program. Have a great day ahead. Great weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, Zubair, and your Edrupt team for giving us the introduction about the digital marketing course. And we'll see you soon for more and more interesting sessions.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay, bye.